All right. If there's a reinforcement, of course, that one will be another different way of filtering. Okay. So let's say I'm going to add a reinforcement here. Number 83. Yeah. Okay, and then number 63. And let's say Corbel. All right. So now, here, if I'm going to, so I added the reinforcement here. Let me just run the numbering here. Oh, sorry. All right. So I added the reinforcement here. Now, if I change this one to, let's say, footing, and then modify. If you notice, the reinforcement are still there, right? The reinforcement are still there. So in this case, we need to modify our filter rules, okay? So if you go back to this one, instead of if the part name is equals to footing only, okay, you need to add another row. So the first rule here will be if the object type, okay, if the object type is equals to part and the part name is equals to footing, save as, and then modify, look what will happen. So meaning you need to specify what type of the object you are filtering, okay? Because if you just simply put the part name equals to footing, and then if you have the reinforcement here, unless the display here of the reinforcement is off, then this one will work fine without the object type. But if the reinforcement here is on, and your rules here is only for footing, then the reinforcement will show up in your model. All right. So we really need to put this object type first before you add this another set. Okay. Let's say go back to the to beam and then modify. So as you can see here, the reinforcement again still there. So all you have to do is again you add the object type is equals to, object type is equals to part, and then save, and then modify. Okay, so now what else? Here in the in terms of the component, you can also filter the component you like. So new filter, add row. Okay, let's try this one. If the object is component, will not work. Yes. Yeah, it shows that. So these are the three objects. And then add row again. Then if the component name this, and there you go. Yeah. So it's the same thing in the component, but here you need to change the object is component, and then it should be yes. Okay, is that hopefully is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.